Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the best sublimation printer for personal use. Sublimation printing is a great way to bring your creative projects to life, but choosing the right printer can be challenging. To help you, we have compiled a list of the top 5 sublimation printers that are perfect for personal use. We have also included the link to each printer in the description box so you can easily purchase them. The best thing? These provided links are updated daily, so you know you are getting the best deals on each printer. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is Canon Wireless Pixma TR Series Inkjet Printer. The Canon Wireless Pixma TR Series Inkjet Printer is a versatile, feature-packed printer designed for personal use. It is a top-of-the-line sublimation printer with exceptional quality and wireless capabilities for all your printing needs. One of the standout features of the Canon Wireless Pixma TR Series Inkjet Printer is its ability to print a variety of color documents in high volumes. It boasts a print speed of up to 12 ppm black and 7 ppm color, making it ideal for families that require fast and efficient printing. The printer also offers automatic two-sided printing, borderless prints, and mobile and wireless printing, adding convenience and ease of use to your printing experience. The Canon Wireless Pixma TR Series Inkjet Printer is fully loaded with savings, making it perfect for low-cost, high-volume printing. It comes with up to 2 years of original HP ink bottles, producing up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages right out of the box. If you are interested in this inkjet printer, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 2 is HP SmartTank 7301 Wireless Ink Printer. The HP SmartTank 7301 Wireless All-in-One Printer is an excellent choice for busy families seeking a high-volume color printer. With the ability to print, copy, and scan, this printer boasts various features, including automatic two-sided printing, a 35-page automatic document feeder, and borderless printing. This printer is equipped with mobile and wireless printing capabilities, allowing for the convenience of printing from your smartphone or tablet. Refilling the ink is effortless with HP's spill-free refill system. The original HP 32XL black bottle or original HP 31 color bottles can be easily inserted into the ink tank, with no squeezing or spilling required. The printer's smart guided buttons illuminate to guide you through everyday print, scan, and copy tasks, making it easy to use. This printer is equipped with essential security features to protect against viruses and malware and to help maintain privacy and control. Additionally, the self-healing dual-band Wi-Fi automatically detects and resolves connection issues, providing reliable connectivity. Ethernet networking makes it easy to share resources, adding to the printer's versatility. If you want to buy this printer right now, then check out the link provided in the description box below. Number 3 is Epson EcoTank ET15000. The Epson EcoTank ET15000 Wireless Color SuperTank Printer is a cutting-edge printer designed for personal use, offering unparalleled versatility and productivity. This printer is specifically engineered to work exclusively with Epson genuine cartridges, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. The most remarkable feature of this printer is its low-cost replacement ink bottles, which can save up to 90% compared to standard ink cartridges. With each included or replacement ink bottle set, users can print up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 colors, translating to significant cost savings of up to $620 per set. This personal use printer offers versatile paper handling, allowing users to print up to 13 inches by 19 inches through the rear feed and copy and scan up to 8.5 inches by 11 inches via the skin bed or 8.5 inches by 14 inches via the ADF. The Epson EcoTank ET15000 offers auto two-sided printing, a 2.7-inch color touchscreen, borderless printing up to 11 inches by 17 inches, and hands-free, voice-activated printing. Additionally, it provides a wireless solution that includes Wi-Fi Direct for network-free printing and Ethernet for reliable connectivity. If you need this all-in-one color SuperTank printer, then check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 4 is Brother MFC J995DW Color Inkjet All-in-One Printer. The Brother MFC J995DW Investment Tank Color Inkjet All-in-One Printer is an excellent personal use printer with exceptional features and cost-saving benefits. Its re-engineered ink cartridges hold more ink and work with an internal ink storage tank to provide up to 1 year of uninterrupted printing. This feature is ideal for those who print frequently and want to save time and money by avoiding the hassle of constantly replacing ink cartridges. This printer is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows and Mac, and supports mobile device printing via AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, Brother, and Wi-Fi Direct. This makes it easy for users to print from their smartphones and tablets. The Brother MFC J995DW is designed with genuine Brother inks, ensuring that prints are of the highest quality. It supports multiple network protocols, making connecting to various devices and networks easy. To put it simply, the Brother MFC J995DW Investment Tank Color Inkjet All-in-One Printer is a versatile, reliable printer with cost-saving benefits and impressive features. It is an excellent choice for personal use and will provide years of quality printing. If you are interested in this personal use printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is HP SmartTank 6001 Wireless Ink Printer. The HP SmartTank 6001 Wireless All-in-One Cartridge-Free Ink Printer is a versatile and reliable solution for families requiring high-volume color printing. This printer has various key features, including automatic two-sided printing, borderless prints, and mobile and wireless printing. It can print up to 12 ppm black and 7 ppm color, making it fast and efficient. This printer is a cost-effective option for families as it comes with up to 2 years of original HP ink bottles, allowing up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages to be printed out of the box. It also delivers exceptional quality with outstanding color graphics, photos, and crisp text for all your prints. The HP SmartTank 6001 can be operated from anywhere using the HP Smart app, which allows for convenient printing, scanning, and copying from your mobile device. With this printer, you don't have to worry about running out of ink, as it is designed for long-term use and has an easy-to-fill tank system. It also comes with a spill-free refill system, which helps minimize messes or spills. This printer is designed for both home and office use, making it the perfect choice for busy households. If you like this printer, then check out the link given in the description box to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best printer for personal use. If you want to purchase any of these best personal use printers, then click on the link provided in the description box to get them now. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.